Hey guys, Brandy here, and this is my, oh wait. Okay, so hey guys, Brandy here, and this is my cat. If you watched the other video, wait, yeah, so I think he's gonna be going, but I think he wants me to get out, so I'm under the bed. So he's right there, so he's gonna get out. Come on, Mitchell. Or I'll get you. So he's not coming out. He's not coming out. I'm saying how loud I talk, so I'm gonna talk like how I usually talk. Okay, so he's not going out right now, but I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I just want to test my testing position. And, yeah, well. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Bye.